In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text on Substack. If you've ever wanted a headline, a pull quote, or a short call to action to sit neatly in the middle of the page, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. Using Substack's built-in editor, quickly and cleanly. Start on your Substack dashboard and open the posts area where your drafts and published pieces live. Find the post you want to adjust and open its options menu by clicking the three dots beside the title. From that menu, choose Edit to launch the post in the editor. You'll see your content in the center and the formatting toolbar running across the top. Next, highlight the text you want to center. If you plan to center everything, select all the text in the body. You can do this by dragging your cursor over the content or by using the standard Select All shortcut on your device. If you only intend to center a specific section, like a single line or a short paragraph, just highlight that portion instead. Alignment applies only to what you've selected, paragraph by paragraph, so you stay in full control of the layout. With your text highlighted, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of the editor. Find the small drop-down next to the numbered list icon. This menu controls text alignment. Click it to reveal the alignment options, then choose Center. You'll see the selected text immediately shift to the middle of the column, giving you a clean, balanced look. Depending on your screen size, this icon may appear as a set of horizontal lines. The centered option will look like lines stacked in the middle. Now, read the centered text in context. Centering is most effective for short, standalone elements like titles, quotes, and brief calls to action. Longer paragraphs are usually easier to read when left aligned, so use centering sparingly for emphasis. If you change your mind, simply undo the action or switch the alignment back from the same dropdown. No need to retype anything. A few quick notes as you finish up. This change affects only the text you highlighted, so other parts of your post keep their original alignment. If you paste in new content later, you may need to reapply the alignment to that section. Most standard text blocks support alignment, though some specialized blocks may handle formatting differently. And Substack auto-saves as you edit, so your changes are preserved without extra steps. That's all it takes. Open posts, go to edit, highlight your content, use the drop-down next to the numbered list icon, and select center. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.